Hi guys, I hope you had a good weekend. Let's sing our good morning song. Good morning, Aaliyah. Good morning, Annabelle. Good morning, Audie. We hope you have a nice Tuesday. Good morning, Evelyn. Good morning, Harper. Good morning, Jackson. We hope you have a nice Tuesday. Good morning, Carson. Good morning, Kenzie. Good morning, Corbin. We hope you have a nice Tuesday. Good morning, Lincoln. Good morning, Lucas. Good morning, Kia. We hope you have a nice Tuesday. Good morning, Serenity. Good morning, Sky. Good morning, Xander and Freya. We hope you have a nice Tuesday. What is today? Tuesday. Okay, do we know what number it is? Can you help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Today is April 14th. Do you know what season it is? It's spring. It's supposed to be raining so all the flowers can bloom, but today it is snowy. Today is Tuesday. Do we know what yesterday was or what tomorrow will be? Let's have Miss Sam sing Days of the Week with us.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be singing Days of the Week with you. If you want to sing with me, you can. If you don't want to, you can just listen. Ready? Days of the Week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the Week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the Week. 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 Alright, that's it. Bye, guys.
Thanks, Miss Sam. Did you guys figure out what comes before Tuesday? There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. Did you hear what came before Tuesday? Monday. Today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. Do you know what tomorrow will be? What comes after Tuesday? There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Did you hear what came next? There's Monday, Tuesday, and tomorrow will be Wednesday. Okay, I'm going to read you a story about sinking and floating.
What floats and what sinks? A look at density. Floating and sinking. An object floats when it rests on top of a liquid or when it rises in the air. Apples float in water, and hot air balloons float in the air. Kids wash apples in this picture in a metal wash tub. Notice that the apples are floating. An object sinks when it drops down in liquid or when it falls down through the air. Rocks sink in water, and rocks would also sink in air. These rocks can't float in water. They can't float in the air either. Solid objects are not the only things that float and sink. Liquids and gases do too. Bubbles are liquid gas, and there's liquid gas inside them, and the bubbles float in the air. Corn, oil, and syrup are both liquids. corn oil floats in the syrup. Do you see the corn oil in the picture floating on top of the syrup? Milk and chocolate sauce are liquids. The chocolate sauce sinks in the milk. Have you ever poured chocolate syrup in your milk? Can you see it at the bottom of the cup? Helium is a gas. Air is made of many gases. The air in our environment is made of many gases. Helium balloons in the air float in the air. Do you see how the balloons are floating? Because they have helium gas in them. Gases such as propane and butane do not float in the air. Density. All solid liquids and gases have density. Density is how heavy something is compared to its size. This ball is very dense and is very heavy, but it's very big and it's extremely heavy. Do you see how the ball's not very big, but I bet you it's really heavy. These candy treats are about the same size. One is solid and the other one is not solid and it has air inside it. The solid chocolate is more dense, or it's more heavy because there's more chocolate inside. These coins have more density than the water. The force of the water isn't strong enough to hold them up. See how the pennies stay put and the water still goes on top of them? Because the pennies are too heavy for the water to push them. Objects sink if they have more density than liquid or gas. Objects float if they have less density than the liquid or gas they are in. See, the ball floats on the water because it has air inside of it. Shape. An object shape can make it sink or float too. See the surfboard? It's floating on the water. This swimmer can float when she stretches on her back. A large part of her body is touching the water. More water can push against her body. This swimmer tucks in her arms and legs. She sinks to the bottom. The water can push against only a small part of her body. See, when she lays out flat, she floats. But if she curls up in a ball, she sinks. This ship is very heavy. Its shape helps it float in the ocean. See, it's a big boat, but just because it's big doesn't mean it can't float. Because it's long, and it helps it float. There are many rooms and open spaces in the ship. These spaces are filled with air, and the air makes the ship less dense. So all the open space filled with air helps it float. Ships sink if too much water gets inside them. The water pushes all the air out of the ship, and the ship sinks. Water level. Look where the water level is in this fishbowl. Ice cubes float in water. Adding ice cubes makes the water level rise. When you put the ice cubes in there, it makes it look like there's more water. Rocks sink in water. Adding rocks makes the water level rise. See the rocks sink to the bottom, but it looks like there's more water. When an object is in a liquid or a gas, the object pushes the liquid or the gas out of its way. This makes the level of the liquid or gas rise. You can use things to try sinking and floating every day. A hook sinks to catch a fish. People travel in hot air balloons. How is floating and sinking important to you guys?
Hope you guys liked my story. Now Miss Brittany's going to do some sinking and floating with you guys.
Hey friends, I have a rubber duck. Let's see if it's going to sink or if it's going to float. Oh, it's floating. Now I have this plastic spider. Let's see if this is going to sink or float. Oh, definitely sank to the bottom. I have this magnetized here. Let's see. Oh, definitely sank. Let's try this green Easter egg. Oh, and it floats.
That was so much fun, Miss Brittany. You guys can do it at home if you ask your moms and dads. Maybe fill up your bathtub. If you do, Miss Molly, Miss Brittany, Miss Sam would like to see pictures. Send us some pictures. And don't forget to be helpful, safe, and kind at home. And have your moms and dads tell me so we can fill up our tree. Okay, that's it for today. So I wish you well. I wish you well all through the day. I wish you well. Bye, guys.